Welcome back to the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. In this video, we'll install a new pull strap for the front seat tumbler function in a 2001 Jeep Wrangler. The old strap deteriorated from the dry climate, and eventually it just broke off. The strap needs to go through the hole of this small black bracket and attach to the metal T-clip. When pulled, a cable releases the seat back lever so you can bend the back of the front seat forward. When the strap is pulled harder, the front seat tumbles forward, providing better access to the back seat. We need to source a strap. You can use almost anything as long as it's strong enough. I found this door limit strap on Amazon. That'll do. We need to make some modifications to the strap. We cut it to length and width. Then we clean up the edges, and then we need to make a hole to receive the metal T-clip. Attaching the modified strap was the hard part. We first exposed the metal T-clip, then fit the clip into the hole we made on the strap, without the clip falling back behind the bracket. This took some finagling, but we finally got it. Super slow-mo. Nice. Then we repeated the process for the passenger side front seat. This has been another production of the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. We hope you found the video informative and entertaining. If you haven't done so already, click subscribe. Thanks for watching.